let's discuss surface area and volume of the cube. We know cube. How many faces? 6 faces. 6 flat surfaces. In cube, all sides are equal. This is the length of the cube. Length. This is the height of the cube. And this is the breadth of the cube. In cube, all sides are equal. It means length equal to height equal to breadth. Let some A units. Okay, here length, height, breadth equal to A units. Okay. In cube, there is no curved path. Okay. So, first, lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area of the cube? Lateral surface area means area of all of the sides of an object excluding its base and top. Okay. So, we know the formula for lateral surface area of the cuboid. 2 into h into L plus B. Here h equal to A. In place of h, we substitute A and L equal to A units, breadth equal to A units, which is equal to 2 into A, 2A, A plus A is 2A, 2A into 2A, 2 into 2, 4, A into A square. So, therefore, lateral surface area of the cube is 4A square. Units are unit square. Next one, total surface area. Total surface area represented with short form TSA. We know total surface area of cuboid equal to 2 into length into breadth, breadth into height plus height into length. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. L is L equal to H equal to B equal to A units. So, A into A plus A into A plus A into A. 2 into A square, A into A square, A into A square. A square plus A square plus A square 3 times. 3A square. Therefore, total surface area of the cube equal to 2 3s are 6A square. Unit square. Next, what is the volume of the cube? Volume of cube. What is the formula for volume of the cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So, L equal to A, B equal to A and H equal to A. A into A cube. So, units are unit cube. Therefore, volume of the cube equal to A cube. These are the formulas for cube. Next, geometrical figure, cylinder. We know cylinder. See this figure? This is the cylinder. Okay. How many faces? This is the curved surface. This is the curved surface and top and bottom. One curved surface and top and bottom or circles. Top and bottom are flat surfaces. So, one curved surface and 2 flat surfaces. Top surface look like a circle. Okay, open the cylinder. See, This is look like a rectangle. This look like a rectangle. This is the height of the cylinder and top surface is circle in shape. Circle. So what is the perimeter of this circle? Perimeter, this length is, here talking about length, boundary length. So perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r. Perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, and this is the height of the cylinder. This is height. So this is look like a rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So 2 pi r into h. What is the length of the cylinder? Length. This is look like a rectangle. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Here length equal to 2 pi r, breadth equal to h. 2 pi r into h. Therefore curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r h. Units square. What is the total surface area of cylinder? Curved surface area plus 2 flat surfaces area. Curved surface area we know, and flat surface area. Flat surface areas are top and bottom. Top and bottom are circle in shape. Top and bottom are circle in shape. Okay. So what is the area of circle? Pi r square. Pi r square, pi r square. Total surface area of cylinder equal to curved surface area is 2 into pi into r into h plus 2 times of flat surface area. 2 into flat surface is a circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. 2 pi r h plus 2 into pi r square. Here 2 pi r is common. Here h, here r. So therefore total surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. These are the formulas for cylinder. Units square. What is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder equal to base area. What is volume? How much amount of space available in it? This is the base, and how much amount space available in it? This is the height of the cylinder. This is the base area. Base area into height. Base area. Base area look like a circle. So pi r square. Height of the cylinder is h. So therefore volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. Units cube.